Here we are YouTube, I'm trainer Jason X and now we're about to face Iris, we're about to face champion Iris with our Fire Red team, so let's do this. Jason X versus Iris. Iris will lead with her Dragon as always. I lead with my Machamp. Okay, Dragon versus Machamp. I go for the Dynamic Punch. I can take a Dragon Pulse, I guess, yes, easily. I go for the Dynamic Punch and Dragon is down. Okay, next one is Druddigon. Okay, Druddigon, I go for the Dynamic Punch again and please hit yourself, come on. Hit yourself, hit yourself, hit yourself, thank you. Okay, another Dynamic Punch and Druddigon is down. Bye bye Druddigon. Okay, what now? Now Aggron now. Okay, for some reason she sends out Aggron on Machamp. I go for the Dynamic Punch and Aggron is down. And now Lapras. Okay, Lapras. Enough with Machamp. I sent out Venusaur. Just don't go for Blizzard. Go for Hydro Pump, please. No, Sink. No, no, no. 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 Okay. Now, Blizzard, she misses. I go for the Hypnosis. I miss, of course. Blizzard, another Hypnosis. Now I don't miss. Okay. Okay, what about Machamp? Just keep sleeping. Yes. Dynamic Punch on your ugly face. And Lapras will faint, I guess. No. Full restore. At least he used full restore on Lapras. Okay, Dynamic Punch and Lapras is down. Now Haxorus. Okay, Haxorus. Okay, Haxorus. I will creep you now a little. I send out Arcanine with Intimidate. I lower his attack. Goes for the Outrash, which does a lot, which does really lot. Okay, what about sending out Gyarados? I will lower your attack even more now. Okay, Outrash. It still does a lot. Okay. Go for the Dragon Dance, he's confused, please hit yourself, yes, thank you. I go for the Dragon Dance. I go for another Dragon Dance. You are confused, hit yourself, thank you. I am very lucky with the confusion hacks today. And Ice Fang to your face. Bye bye Haxorus, not the Dragon. Haxorus is down. And I think this battle is over. Next one is Archeops. I'm faster now, I guess, after 2 Dragon Dances. Yes, I am. I go for the Waterfall on your face. Archeops is down and we beat it Iris. We beat it Iris under leveled. We beat it Iris with no losing any Pokemon. We beat it Iris with no using any items. Okay, my Fire Red team has still a match versus Cynthia.